Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you, or in this tutorial, I'll show you how to build your first AI-powered application using Google free AI tools from setting up your account to testing your finished application. So let's get started. Now, what is Google AI? Google offers a growing collection of AI tools that help developers and beginners create intelligent applications. So with Google's AI models, you can build applications that can answer questions, summarize documents, generate text, write code, translate languages, and so on. So the very first thing you should do here is you have to go to Google AI and create an account. This is what it looks like. Now, this is the interface. So basically here, you can just analyze everything, and many of these features are available through free or free plan, making them a great starting point for learning and experimenting. So once you have the access here in Google's AI development tools, you can manage your project. So here in Open Google AI Studio, you can just basically create a prompt or type anything here, and then Google AI Studio Google will create that ID or application for you. Now, no need for API keys, no need for code. All you have to do is to type or to create a prompt for that application. Now, if you also want to connect your Google AI models, you can also get that through this Google, or you need to get an API key. So inside the Google Studio, there is this create API key, and all you have to do is tap on create API key, copy, and then paste it. Now, once you have your API key, then you have to decide what application to build. So the popular beginner projects include AI chatbot, homework helper, resume generator, recipe assistant, email writer, travel planner, language tutor, business idea generator, blog writer, and so on. Once you have decided what application, then you can choose a no code or coding platform. So basically, you can also try this uh, Lovable AI. Actually, there are tons of applications or website that can help you create application, but some of this are not for free. So for no code, I can suggest you can try the Replit or Lovable AI. All you have to do here is to create an account, and then you have to type whatever application you want to create. However, of course, there are some limits with the features, and maybe sometimes you can encounter some conflicts and errors. So, for example, if you want to connect your Google API or API key to an application you're about to create using Lovable AI, all you have to do is go to Lovable AI and then, for example, decide what application. For example, you wanted an email writer for your application. So all you have to do is to ask Lovable AI to create an email writer application. So the good thing about this lovable AI is that it's for free. You just have to wait for a couple of seconds and then just wait. After that, you can run the application and then connect your Google API. So if you don't know how to code, you can use no code application builders that can integrate with AI services like this. If you do know some programming, you can build your application using popular web or mobile development frameworks and connect to the Google's AI models through the API. So basically, once you have connected your application to Google AI, then you can ask or enter any questions you want. So, for example, write a professional email requesting it. Now, inside this, what we call the Google AI, you can also build an idea, for example, an idea for your application or a walkthrough for your application. So, for example, here in Google AI Studio, you can ask Google AI to create an application for email writer. All you have to do is to type it right here and then press enter. Now you have to wait for a couple of minutes, and this is the results. I'm going to show you the result. Aside from that, you can ask or you can build or decide what build application to build, language tutor, and so on. So this is what it looks like if you ask Google AI Studio for email writer application. So this is the preview. Okay, this is what it looks like. You can have it anything here. And then once you're okay with that, then you can tap on the publish. And actually, the good thing about this is that you can copy the URL or link and then send it or share it to others. So this is the result. of asking Google AI for that email writer application. You can just basically explore, as you can see, this is what it looks like, and all you have to do is to just basically publish. You can also edit this. You can add more features if you want. On the left side, there's this text box right here. You can add more ideas, pictures. You can edit. You can change whatever you want. But this is actually the result for that. So before you publish this application, change the app URL. And after that, you can publish this and then copy, paste, and send it to anyone. So basically, that's it. You can test your application before sharing your application. You can try different prompts and scenarios. Responses are relevant, and the interface is easy to use. Errors are handled gracefully, and the application responds quickly. Your API key is protected. So yeah, publish your application, publish it as a site, release it on Android, launch it on iPhone, share it with your team, offer it to clients. So there are a lot of ways also to make money, like monthly subscription, one-time purchases, premium features, in-app purchases, advertising, affiliate partnership, and so on. So the main thing is that pick one idea, create a basic version, test it with real users, and improve it step by step. By focusing on solving genuine problems and refining your application over time, you can build something that provides real value and potential grows into a successful business. So again, you can create an application using the free or no coding platform and then connect it with your Google's AI model through the API. Or you can ask basically here in the Google AI for an application idea. Aside from that, I also tried the other like the language translator and so on. And then all you have to do is to paste it or type it inside the Google AI Studio, and it will generate that kind of application idea for application. And basically that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorial.